We had high temperature of 83 degrees in Greensboro yesterday. Temperatures today will likely be 12, even 15 degrees colder this afternoon as we start to bring our temperatures back closer to normal for the next couple of days. Even got to the mid 80s across many of the western Piedmont and getting into the foothills yesterday. Our normal high is 71 degrees. Just to give you a point of comparison, morning low is around 50 degrees. And temperatures are up from there this morning. We're actually starting out in the mid 60s officially at PTI Airport. We're at 59 degrees up in Reedsville. Temperatures in the mountains vary a bit, but even in the 50s and 60s up that way. There's also some rain starting to move our way. There's a cold front that is draped over the mountains into Virginia and back toward Tennessee. We've got some showers and leftover showers from a heavy band of thunderstorms that pushed through Ohio, Kentucky, and West Virginia late last night and really yesterday afternoon through last night. Leftover showers in Allegheny County near Sparta. We had a couple of rounds of this morning. It's a little more pronounced north of the Virginia line through Grayson, through Carroll counties, teasing the Mount Airy area as well. This is going to ease in, but it will be starting to fall apart even more as it does so. So I think for most folks, we're going to see a band of heavy clouds through about mid-morning. Shower chances are best in the mountains, and they fall off a bit in the foothills and then even more so in the Triad this morning. This will clear out by lunchtime today. We've got more sun in the afternoon. But as the front slips by, it's going to cool our temperatures down and the winds are really going to pick up. There is a wind advisory for all of our mountain counties for northwest winds at 20 to 30 and gusts up to about 50 miles per hour. Expires early tomorrow morning for the North Carolina and the far western Virginia mountains, but for Carroll and Patrick County, that ends a little earlier for you later this evening. Tree limbs could come down, a few minor power outages are a possibility, and even the Triad and foothills have a chance for a few healthy gusts. Gusts up to about 35 to 40 miles per hour will be possible. Notice that temperatures kind of hover in the 60s most of the day, warming up with the sun, but only getting up to close to 70 this afternoon. 20% rain chance. We'll keep that in place through mid-morning, but I really don't think many Triad communities will have rain to deal with, or the foothills for that matter. Chances best early on. We'll keep that in place through about 9 this morning. High temperatures in the mid 60s. Gusts up to 40 possible in the foothills as well. Gusts up to 50 miles per hour are possible in the high country. Impact icons are up for that wind advisory that goes through at least this evening. Grasshoppers back in action this evening. The Dasher on the road is the first game of a 6-game series against Jersey Shore. 60s, but it will cool quickly this evening. If you're headed to the ballpark, just prepare for that. Showers fall apart. We've got some sunny weather in the forecast. It will be cooler tomorrow morning. We'll have 30s and 40s on the maps, and Wednesday will likely be the coolest day this week. We'll still get highs in the mid 60s. Temperatures down again Thursday, close to normal. Then we really warm things up on Friday and then through the holiday weekend with 80-degree weather returning as early as Saturday.